Clint here, Crimson Landscape, here to talk about the landscape design for the property on Richard Avenue. This property is a traditional craftsman style house in the historic district, so the design that our team came up with stays true to the craftsman style theme. Frank Lloyd Wright, kind of the godfather of the craftsman style, he basically had two styles when it came to plants and landscaping. Lots and lots of plants, thick and green, different tones of green, or very few plants. In this case, we went with kind of a three-layer plant to match the depth of the yard, specifically focusing on the tree. The tree stuck out in the yard quite a bit, so we extended the landscape bed around the tree to include it for two reasons. One, it made sense, and two, just the way the house is located, the grass over here would struggle. Traditional yard grass would struggle if we didn't have plants over here. Also connected a walk path to the driveway using earth tone flagstone. Moving on to this side of the house, had to add a Japanese maple. It's kind of a standard for this neighborhood. Plus the maroon color leaves definitely look good against the kind of greenish earth tone color of the house. Down the side of the house, gravel with a couple of spireas, actually three spireas that'll give a nice white pretty bloom in the spring. For the grass, Zoysia Palisades, by far my favorite. Easy to maintain, looks nice and green, low risk. I wouldn't get fancy with like steel edging, Corten steel. I wouldn't make the shape geometric or linear lines. I would stay true to the theme because this is a historic district and it follows the true theme of the house. All right, let me back out a little bit at different angles, a few angles for you to look at. Okay, moving down the driveway, just simple gravel down the driveway, an earth tone color to match the style of the house. Then into the backyard. Here's the outdoor living space. So this was a little more complicated design based on the existing layout of the fire pit in the kitchen grill area. So what I came up with was some decomposed granite with a curved circle shape for a table and how I think the space would be used. Then along the fence, we went with the same earth tone gravel that we have in other spots of the house. We go down, different angle, let you see it. All right, moving to the back. My assumption is whoever buys this house is going to be, they have dogs or they have kids. So maximize this space of grass. I left it a square style shape. And you see the beds are curved to follow the theme of the house, but we did try to maximize how much grass. If it's in the budget, artificial turf would be a great option here. If not, again, Zoysia Palisades is my favorite. Along the back, real simple, I did magnolias just for the height, color, texture. So from a distance, it looks like there's plants along the fence that are nice and full. Another option would be like an Eagleston holly. Can't go wrong with either plant. Simple gravel connecting to the back gate, then a few Burford hollies here that would, with the intent of hiding the meter one day. I would definitely go with a little bit larger plants, some 7 gallons like here, maybe here 15 or 30 gallons depending on what's in the budget. Any questions about this layout or design, just let us know. Of course, this layout and design is the property of Crimson Landscape. And if you have any questions, just reach out to us at crimsonlandscape.com.